To change out the Pfaff feet from the machine, you'll notice you don't need a screwdriver. All you need to do is gently put your fingers on either side and push straight down. You will notice two things about the Pfaff presser feet. On some of them, they will have this little groove cut out behind the foot. That is for the integrated dual feed, or the IDT. So that piece is pulled down and engaged when the foot has the groove. Tell you the truth, if you are using this foot without this, you're going to get an awful wonky looking stitch. So just make sure that if you have this on, don't forget to engage that. When you go to put feet back on, you can just lift up. You can kind of align those little feet with the little bar on the foot, and then you can pull straight up. You can also lower the presser foot down and it will click into place. Pull the dual feed down and engage it, and you are set to go. Now, there are feet in your collection that do not have that groove, and so you want to make sure that it's not engaged. I've had people actually try to sew with this on and this on. It doesn't work very well. It looks very awkward, and things don't feed very well, like at all. So keep in mind which foot you are putting on. Your machine will tell you which foot it needs. And remember, I'm going to take you up here one more time. Remember that some of the stitches, if they have the little blue circle around the number, that means you can use that stitch with the dual feed. But if the number is just a black number with no blue bubble around it, do not use the dual feed. And that is noted right here on the top of your machine. And so blue bubbles, dual feed or IDT, and the black numbers, no IDT. Now you know the difference and how to change your feet.